Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara Beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This GLA does come with a blind spot assist. Opening up the door, we got memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 23,271 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.